This jalapeno popper dip was like the bomb.com, people. Everyone loved it. The recipe at the end of this video. I haven't done one of these in a while, as you can tell. Okay. On Sunday, I'm going to make from the Pioneer Women's Magazine the honey mustard drumsticks with corn and green salad. I think that's going to be really good. My mom really likes like Dijon mustard, and that's what that calls for. I just need to buy the whole grain mustard. I don't think I have any of that in my pantry. Monday, Jay's going to be grilling his huge tomahawk ribeye steak we have in the freezer from Costco. I'm going to either make a regular green salad with that, or I'm going to make a cucumber salad, depending on if my 2 cucumbers on my plant ripens in time. But I have a couple of large zucchinis, so I'm gonna make Jay's favorite, his fried zucchini. Tuesday, we're gonna probably go out to dinner, so I'm not gonna worry about Tuesday. Wednesday is another new recipe from the Pioneer Woman. I really liked how her ranch chicken quesadillas looked. I don't know, it's gonna be a new recipe. I'm gonna try to post that on Instagram, so if you guys can follow me at dlovelylife, with pieces of bacon. So I need to buy some bacon for that. And I just want to do a regular green salad, probably with some avocado, you know, tomatoes from the garden. Thursday, I wanted to try another new recipe from my mother-in-law's friend's cookbook that she made, Anne's Tasteful Treasures. She has a recipe, the best minestrone soup. I like minestrone soup, and I wouldn't mind trying her recipe. So I'm gonna serve that with an Italian green salad. Basically, it's just romaine lettuce with tomatoes, cut up salami, cut up mozzarella, pepperoncinos, and some black olives, which I have all here. I'm trying to get back to our soup and salad night, and I figure whatever I have left over, I'm gonna freeze the rest. On Friday, we're gonna have hamburgers and seasoned French fries. We had hamburgers last week. Half of it we marinated with Yoshitos, garlic, onion, Worcester sauce, and barbecue sauce. I told Jay to freeze half of it, which I'm glad we did. So I'm just gonna defrost that, make some patties, and we have the leftover hamburger buns. And we still have half of the seasoned French fries in the freezer as well. So that's gonna be an easy peasy Friday night dinner. And then on Saturday, I'm gonna order takeout for Mexican food right up the street. But I'm going to make again the jalapeno Popper Dip because we have more jalapenos that are ready to be picked in our garden. So I'm going to make that. We're going to eat half of it and I'm going to freeze the other half. It is so good. It is so good. I believe I have this on my Pinterest at D Lovey Life. So I will put that link in the description box. If not, then I'll promise I'll put the recipe in the description box. This jalapeno popper dip was like the bomb.com, people. Everyone loved it. I've made it so far 2 times and I just get a lot of compliments on that one, served with tortilla chips. I made it in this past Labor Day and I'm gonna go ahead and include the recipe at the end of this video. Here is my grocery list, and guess what, guys? I just found out that I do have a little jar of whole grain mustard, so I'm gonna use that. Just need to get a bag of green salad, bacon, buttermilk, pico de gallo, cream cheese, shredded jack cheddar, and chips. That is it for this week. And of course, I'm just gonna add some items that we might need for the rest of the week, but that's pretty much it. Now for the jalapeno popper dip. Let's go. Here's my cream cheese, sour cream. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, I think, you guys. Oh. And then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next is to dice up my jalapeno. I got gloves on to handle. I don't want all of that jalapeno oil on me, especially when I'm caring for my mom. No way. All right, let's get this going. Let's get these chopped and diced up. Ooh, I already smell that. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the seeds. I don't want it to be super spicy where we can't enjoy it. That's better. But of course, if you want it spicy, leave the seeds in. All right. I can smell this jalapeno. If you grow jalapenos and you're running out of things to make instead of just salsa, this is definitely one to add to your garden recipe. I've had it before, our Halloween potluck, and it was a hit. But of course, you just gotta make sure that everyone is good with jalapenos. Also, the good trick is really to mince it down, I think. So that way no one just doesn't have like too much of a heat in one bite. And then 2 cups of my cheddar jack cheese mixture.